Vinatools Industrial Equipment Company Limited. Vinatools is one of the leading importers and distributors in Vietnam of industrial equipment and tools, including cutting tools, mold components, jig parts, wire cutting and wire cutting machine accessories, precision mechanical processing machines and spare parts. With a team of experienced experts, we also provide special tools according to customers' requirements nationwide. Formation and development process. Established in 2010, Vinatools started with the goal of providing high-quality products and services in the field of industrial equipment. Over the years, we have grown strongly and are now the commercial representative for major global brands such as Dormer Pramit, HKF, Vertex, YAMAWA, and Kenametal. The trust from major manufacturing companies in Japan, Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam has proven our quality and reputation in the industry. Vinatools Industrial Equipment Vision, Mission, Core Values Honesty and Trust. Vinatools has contributed to the further development of prosperous, humane societies by valuing symbiotic, mutually beneficial relationships in all countries and regions of the world, focusing on maintaining harmony with the environment in Vietnam. Vinatools has strived to affirm itself as a trustworthy and widely recognized company by conducting fair and sound operations with integrity based on our awareness and understanding of the diversity of races, religions, cultures, behaviors, and regulations throughout Vietnam. Enterprise and innovation. Vinatools evaluates its business scope flexibly in response to social needs, aiming to form a group of advanced, innovation-oriented companies with a streamlined and rational structure. The company also seeks to provide a high level of customer satisfaction by introducing superior technologies and products and developing systems and services through highly specialized departments. And the company aims to become a group. Respect for the individual in addition to respecting the individuality and interests of employees. Vinatools pursues an entrepreneurial spirit and revolutionary ideas, focusing on shaping an organizational and rule-based work environment based on the concepts of mutual trust and collaborative thinking. Employees clarify their goals and responsibilities, pursue results, and divide management roles by implementing creativity in business activities. The company distributes results and responds to employee contributions based on the results of activities. Vision: to become the leading and most reliable supplier of industrial equipment and tools in Vietnam and the region. Mission: to provide high-quality products and services, meeting all customer needs at optimal cost and highest efficiency. Core values: quality, innovation, sincerity, and long-term commitment to customers. Business orientation: understanding that customer satisfaction is a measure of business success. Vinatools always strives to strengthen human resources, build brand reputation, and create trust with customers. Through each stage of development, the company always listens to customer feedback. From there, it is increasingly perfecting with quality products, services. The support of customers over the past time is a great source of encouragement for Vinatools. The unit will continue to promote its core values and strengths to bring products and services that are increasingly complete, optimized in terms of functionality and sustainable value over time. Working process at Vinatools: receiving requests. Sales staff receive requests from customers, analyze and propose appropriate solutions. Contact information: Tools Vietnam Industrial Equipment Company Limited. Address: Building B15, Urban Area 54 Ha Dinh, Lane 85 Ha Dinh, Ton Son Trung, Ton Son, Hanoi. Mobile 0985.295 625 0978 404348. Email: marketing@toolsvn.com.vn. Website: http://toolsvn.com.vn/technical assessment. Technical experts assess and confirm the feasibility of the solution, ensuring that all products and services provided meet the highest technical requirements. Order execution. After receiving the customer's consent, the order will be executed according to the prescribed process. Inspection and delivery. All products are thoroughly inspected before delivery to ensure quality. Then, the products will be delivered to customers safely and on time. After sales support, we provide technical support and product maintenance services to ensure long-term customer satisfaction. With professionalism and dedication, Vinatools is committed to being a reliable partner, accompanying customers in all challenges and opportunities.